Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a soft face with a little bit of pop of color on the eyes. As you can tell, I am not currently home. I am actually in North Carolina in a hotel. My husband is getting ready to go overseas, and I'm trying to say bye to him and stay with him as long as I can until he leaves, and then I will return home, and you'll see me back in my little bedroom. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, we're going to try and make today's video a little quick today, so we're going to start off with the eye primer. Prep the eyes. And for eyeshadow today, we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows. I'm going to be using numbers 1 and 2. And what's kind of cool about these is that you can take 2 of them, which is also cool is that they have the names on the back of them as well. Take them and snap them together, and there you have a fuller eyeshadow palette. So we're going to go ahead and dive into number 1. I'm going to be using the actual mirrors inside of these because they're actually a really good size. And we're going to go ahead and line the brow bone. We're also going to just outline this little border here and do the same thing to the other eye. Take a little blending brush and we're just going to go ahead and just loosely blend that out and just kind of blur this little line that we've already kind of created, and do the same thing to the other side. This also helps also helps take away any excess powder or eyeshadow. Alrighty, and then next we're gonna go, and that was in the first side, that was Nookie Rookie in this little pale color. And then we are going to go into number 2. I'm gonna snap these off just so I can read the names for you. We're gonna go into Risky Riches, oh no, excuse me, not Risky, Wife It Up, which is this middle kind of mauve-y color. And we're gonna take a fluffy brush and we are gonna go into the crease with that. And today we're gonna kind of make like a little halo. So we're gonna drag it kind of into the inner corner really well and to the outer corner of the eye. Alrighty, and once we have that on like that, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Alrighty, and then we're going to take a blending brush and blend. And we're just going back and forth. And a little bit of swirling. And then we'll do the same thing to the other side. Alrighty, and then next we're gonna go ahead and add Hey Auntie all over the rest of the lid. And I'm just gonna take a smudge brush to do that. And I'm trying to focus this more on the center of my eyelid, kind of right where my actual eye is. Why can't I think of what that's called right now? Iris and pupil. And then I slowly work my way to the out edges while keeping it still focused right down in here on the lid. And then we're gonna just lightly blend along where the purple met the crease color and slightly dust all over. We're gonna go ahead and just touch up this purple some more just to make sure it's a little brighter, and you can really see it. And then we'll just blend out again right on that line. And up and out. And on that line. And then last but not least, we're gonna add just a little bit of sparkle to the inner corner. And we are going to be taking Up a Class, which is this really shiny, it's a very metallic pink, but boy, does it shine. And we're gonna add just a little bit of that purple right on this lower lash line. Just to kind of smoke it out. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and put eyeliner and mascara on, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back from putting eyeliner and mascara on. I actually also went ahead and put on face primer, and we're gonna next be going into foundation. We're gonna be using the Maybelline's Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. This is actually a hydrating foundation, and it actually has hyaluronic acid and collagen in it. And we're gonna go ahead and take the stipple brush, and we're gonna stipple the face. I'm just gonna take a mirror for me down here. And I'm just taking a little bit more for my neck so that I can blend it down to me. Sorry. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty SunStalk'r and Shady Biz. And we're just going to be doing a little contouring today. And when you're contouring, you want to look for your cheekbone and go up to your ear. So it gives you those high cheekbones. And it's to the top of your ear. But you have to also feel where your cheekbone is. Because some people, everyone's cheekbones is going to be in a little different spot because guess what? We're human. And guess what? Everyone's different. Alrighty, and for blush, we're going to be going in with the Unicorn Glow. This is in Peach Berry. This is a Unicorn Glow blusher, is what they call it. And we're going to take a couple taps of this and blush. And for blush, I like to just go slightly above where my contour was. And kind of almost like blend the two together. Alrighty, and for highlight, we're going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Kilowatts. These are in, we're going to be using specifically Fire Crystal, which is this shade over here. And we are going to put that in highlight. That's good. Alright, and then I'm going to take like a fluffy brush and blend. And I'm just going, and we're going to blend these softer spots first. And then we'll do that. And me personally, like, I love to highlight. Sometimes I do too much, but I don't care. Let me go up in space. Alrighty, I'm going to quickly go ahead and do my brows, and I'm going to be right back. Alrighty, I'm going to be lining my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Oh Snap. Sorry if you could not see that. I'm just looking for the cap right now. And then for lipstick, we are actually going to be using more Fenty products. We are going to be using the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in Thick. These are what these look like. They come in these cute little tubes. And we're just going to apply. And I like the shade Thick because it's a really nice neutral. It's not super warm, but it's not super cool either. And alrighty, this completes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!